Hello everyone, hope all of you are doing well and we are doing well too. And welcome back to our channel, Mom's the Multitasker. Today I'm going to show you everyone's favorite recipe, that is a roasted chicken. And if you haven't subscribed yet to my channel, please do subscribe and click on the bell icon for the new notifications. And this recipe, there are many lot of recipes available for this roasted chicken. And why is my recipe unique? Because this recipe is very simple and it is 0% failure. Even if you make for the first time, you will be 100% successful. And I have used very less ingredients, but the taste is awesome. So let's get into the process and see how easy it is. I have taken around 700 grams of freshly cleaned chicken. The marination is also simple. Marination is with half of a lemon juice and thick curd or yogurt 2 tablespoons, quarter teaspoon of turmeric, and I have finely or coarsely powdered ginger, garlic and Kashmiri chili. The seeds had been removed, or you can remove the seeds, and pepper powder as per your taste. This ginger, garlic and the coarsely powdered Kashmiri chili increases the flavors of our chicken. Check for the salt, as we are not going to add. You can even prick the chicken before the marination or after the marination. I haven't removed the seeds because I like this to be a little spicy, because this is having an Indian spicy touch. So if you don't want, you can just skip it. To improve the marination, you can just poke the chicken with a knife or with a fork. You can do it before the marination or even after the marination. It's better if you marinate it for around half an hour to 1 hour. If not, you can even just marinate for 15 minutes. The more the time of the marination, the more tastier the chicken is. I have taken a rough quantity of corn flour into a plate. This is only to coat the marinated chicken. Things to remember: this corn flour, if you add it just as it is very increase more flavors. We are coating our corn flour also with some masala, with some salt, and you can also add some pepper powder. Now take in another plate which is very dry. Take the individual pieces of the chicken which is marinated, then dip into the corn flour and coat it very well so that no wet masala is visible outside. It has to be completely coated with the corn flour. The well the coating is, the crispier the chicken will be. And make sure that the marination is into all the corners and into all the angles of the chicken or the joints. Coat it really well and place it into the plate next to you. Let it rest. Coat and let it rest. You may see that some parts again become wet because of the wet masala, so you can coat it twice to increase the crispiness of the fry. Always add the chicken into a piping hot oil and make sure the oil is very hot, otherwise it will not be crispy. One point to remember. And the next thing is, after adding all the chicken into the oil, please do not turn it immediately. Let it fry for around 15 to 20 minutes on a low to medium flame. Then you can flip off the other side. If you disturb the chicken in between, the marination will be out of the chicken. So make sure the oil is hot and you do not disturb the chicken once after adding into the oil. Once it's completely fried on both the sides, you can remove it from the oil, but let the oil be on heat because we are going to fry for the second time. This makes the coating of the chicken very crispier and very crunchy. Do not forget to fry for the second time, otherwise you will not get the desired results. Please don't forget to coat the corn flour coating as well with the masalas. It is very easy and simple and can be made by everyone. You will be successful even if you make for the first time. Only the thing, please watch the video completely and follow the steps as it is. Do not forget to fry for the second time. And while frying for the second time, please make sure the coating is completely into the golden brown color. This helps the chicken to be cooked very well, and inside the chicken will be juicier and outside crunchy. I hope you all like this video. If you like the video, please don't forget to give a thumbs up. Please share with your friends and family members, and if you haven't subscribed yet, and if you like the video, please do not go without subscribing, as it is for free, and your subscription means a lot to me. That makes me happy. Hope you all like the chicken, and please do try and drop your comments in the comment section below. Thank you for your time. Thank you for watching till the end. I'll meet you with another awesome recipe next time. Bye bye.